Virtual Beings News Summary October 20, 2025. MBC's virtual stage production with Isegye Idol demonstrates how broadcast-grade live compositing can sustain a concert-length virtual idol universe, while VTube studio anchors grassroots creator pipelines powering VTuber performances. Together they mark a spectrum from studio-scale spectacle to independent, software-driven avatar shows, each leveraging real-time animation and synchronization to maintain a coherent on-stage persona. Didimo's integration of Hua UT into Saga Origins workflow points to a near-term future in which game studios and players alike can generate high-fidelity avatars through AI-assisted character creation, compressing content timelines and standardizing rig-ready outputs compatible with production engines. UNIQLO UT's collaboration with Tamagotchi revives a recognizable digital pet IP to drive apparel demand through character nostalgia, while Manforce Condom's casting of the AI influencer Myra Kapoor in a television commercial shows brands adopting fully synthetic ambassadors to manage message consistency, scheduling, and cost. Shy's rollout of companion avatars, OpenAI's adult content policy for verified users, Civitai's model sharing role, and Character.AI's social feed layer collectively depict a market consolidating around persistent synthetic partners that blend chat, persona memory, and feed-based discovery, optimized for continuous engagement rather than episodic use. Meta's addition of parental controls that can mute or disable teens' private chats with AI character chatbots on Instagram represents a platform-level constraint designed to mitigate risks in youth interactions with synthetic personas, aligning feature design with heightened regulatory scrutiny and public health concerns about adolescent exposure. AI-generated avatar videos are being used for persuasion at scale, from a party ad placing words into an AI-generated likeness of Chuck Schumer, to Australian campaigns spreading coordinated avatar videos across TikTok and X, illustrating how low-cost, broadcast-quality synthetic spokes-characters can flood attention markets with targeted narratives. Reports highlighting Vision Pro M5 improvements and Lenskart smart glasses indicate that higher refresh rates, reduced motion blur, and faster on-device inference are converging to support more immediate avatar rendering and spatial persona capture, making embodied virtual being experiences more natural in our contexts. Bridge's collaboration with Instagram on the Usra exhibition shows curators using AI with archival media to build interactive, persona-centered tributes that let visitors engage with a public figure's life and work through guided, synthetic storytelling that emphasizes presence without real-time performance. Advances in high-fidelity face swapping for video are framed as an accessible capability that can supply likeness-accurate performance doubles and low-friction persona manipulation, a technique likely to percolate across entertainment, advertising, and creator workflows that depend on repeatable character embodiment. Roblox is the locus for avatar creation, rendering, social feedback, and commerce as evidenced by r/Roblox, avatars threads that showcase user-made renders and in-universe critiques, and by a Roblox developer forum report correcting terminology from avatar shop to marketplace, which directly impacts discovery and purchase flows for avatar items. Reddit functions as the discussion infrastructure for both avatar art exchanges and tools like an online NPC generator supporting rapid character ideation. TikTok and Twitch anchor VTuber and creator-led virtual persona activity, exemplified by posts from Chibi, Chibidoki, Vom, at Vomit Grubvet, and Sydney at SydneyBees, referencing Kenji, and by a TikTok presentation of Mirai from the @Mirai_terminal sphere via artist Dora Official that promotes a next-generation virtual human able to think and speak. These cases show distribution, audience engagement, and persona performance as the primary applications on short-form video and live-stream platforms. OpenAI appears in connection with Sora 2 for directing the acting performance of an AI digital human. Fab distributes character assets including a casual workwear outfit for the parametric body system in Meta Human Creator. Loomflow AI is named alongside digital human assistants suggesting AI components in assistant behaviors. HeyGen is used as a video/avatar synthesis service integrated by API with 11 Labs for voice, and 11 Labs provides the voice model where accent fidelity is a reported integration concern. Within these toolchains, Unreal Engine and Meta Human Creator are the 3D character and parametric body foundations referenced for building, animating, and customizing digital humans. YouTube hosts both topical news roundups that position digital human pipelines for enterprise and media and public sector deployments in museums, heritage, tourism, and governance, and explainers tying virtual humans, meta-humans, and brand uses of AI avatars. Deviant Art surfaces individual creator practice through a first digital human artwork by TJ9999 Alt, while Reddit functions as a venue for showcasing avatar renders and sharing character generation utilities, together mapping a creator-to-audience pipeline for virtual being work and discourse without duplicating the roles assigned to other companies above. Cong Mei, a virtual humanoid character serving as a city IP for Guangzhou food tours, provides explanations, guides, and branding for cultural tourism and local culinary culture. The Liangzhu Forum employed digital humans to guide events and explain the agenda, providing a programmable, remote experience for cultural heritage narratives. The Hua Mulan 3D hyper-realistic digital human, created by Datong Daily Media Group's Mulan Studio, performed on a cylindrical 3D holographic screen, showcasing the integration of high-precision drive and holographic display. The Confucius digital human provided interactive Q&A sessions and knowledge sharing for the public at the expo, enhancing the accessibility and interactivity of traditional cultural content. Quazu, in collaborative discussions with universities and industry, proposed using virtual humans as lightweight output and multi-platform distribution units for cultural symbols, leveraging data and operational methodologies to support the reach and globalization of traditional culture among young users. Baidu Health has launched a 24/7 AI-powered medical concierge. This service builds a triage and management process through conversational consultation, medical pathways, and department/doctor recommendations. It also uses Character.AI clones to extend medical service hours and coverage, creating a continuous health management loop from pre-consultation to follow-up management. Leveraging 5G holographic projection, corporate engineers, as digital avatars, enter university classrooms to conduct practical chemical engineering instruction. This addresses the spatial and temporal coordination challenges of highly specialized courses, creating an integrated teaching experience combining remote demonstrations, interactive guidance, and real-time Q&A. This enables low-latency sharing and scalable reuse of expert resources through industry-university integration. Jinpai Home Furnishings created the digital persona Jin Chan Z as a virtual endorsement and interactive vehicle. They conducted brand storytelling, youth-focused communication, and product promotion campaigns across the metaverse and social media channels. This avatar participated in e-commerce events and marketing campaigns, forming an operational mechanism of brand persona IPX multi-platform distribution. Police Nickname, driven by a large language model, undertakes public consultation, conflict resolution, and risk warning functions. Positioned as a close advisor to the public, a digital avatar of police officers, and a smart sentinel, it provides 24/7 response and analysis support for government affairs and grassroots governance. Meanwhile, German Minister of Culture and Media Weimatar used Weimatar, an AI avatar, for government social media communications, demonstrating the scalability of digital official avatars for information dissemination and public outreach, and sparking discussions on integrity and governance. Huawei proposes using AoNR, Advanced Network over Radio All-in-One Ultra Broadband to support the implementation of Agentverse. This upgrades the network from a transmission channel to a nerve center for interaction between massive intelligent agents and digital twins. This emphasizes the high concurrency, low latency, and cross-device collaboration required for the infrastructure of virtual twins and multi-agent applications, providing a scalable foundation for the future virtual human/intelligent ecosystem. In the Cultural Heritage Display and International Exchange at the Shandong Exhibition Area, the Confucius digital human completed cultural interpretation, audience guidance, and cultural and creative transformation through natural dialogue, and cooperated with the immersive performances and related VR projects of the digital Keirin building to form cultural interpretation and scene narrative centered on virtual characters. The R digital human guide equipment at the Nanchang exhibition in Jiangxi used virtual tour guides to provide on-site route guidance and knowledge point explanations, emphasizing information services and interactive consultation in large-scale exhibitions and cultural tourism spaces. Zhejiang's Liangzhu Forum used digital humans to guide the agenda and link key points, adapting to the content accessibility and unified style of communication for online audiences across time and space. These cases collectively point to the use of virtual characters as superimposed roles of cultural symbols and service interfaces, assuming the stable functions of interpretation, guidance, and international communication in tourism, exhibitions, and conference communications. The Qingdao International Publishing Group Expo introduced the AI digital human anchor Douglas to carry out cloud exhibition exploration, translating the offline exhibition into an online immersive experience by integrating virtual hosting and on-site commentary, covering exhibition area connection, theme narration, and audience interaction. This practice reflects the portable hosting capabilities and long-term stable output of digital humans in large-scale exhibitions and IP activities, and provides a unified human setting and controllable content expression for the broadcast, playback, and multi-platform distribution of subsequent activities. The e-commerce application of the Jiangsu Yancheng industrial base is powered by Bairui Technology's digital human live streaming technology. This technology leverages live streaming technology driven by real people to drive sales, schedule live streams around the clock, and expand channels. Reports indicate that the company's annual transaction volume target has reached hundreds of millions of yuan, highlighting the advantages of digital human live streamers in supply chain matching, scripting, and operational cost control. In Guangdong's integration of agriculture, culture, and tourism, live streaming and brand communication for regional agricultural products and cultural and creative products are being promoted. With support from policies and infrastructure, a closed-loop e-commerce operation path has been established, from persona and scripting to conversion. To avoid duplication and ambiguity, the relevant company appears only once in this topic: Bairui Technology. Entities related to short drama or film and television production, but not directly responsible for the development and operation of digital human live streamers, Xiexing Technology and Jiangxi Pipi Film and Television, remain in background roles and are not listed again in other topics. The Yangtze River Delta, Yancheng, digital audio-visual industry base, serving as a hub for the industry, is developing scalable, monetizable application demonstrations around Bairui Technology's proprietary digital human live streaming technology. This, coupled with a talent and content ecosystem developed in collaboration with universities, is transforming digital human technology from single-site live stream operations to a centralized, industrialized platform. This path embodies a streamlined integration of tools in human character production, content scheduling, and commercial transformation, shortening the timeline from technology launch to scaled revenue and providing replicable organizational and operational units for spillover to other regions and industries. To meet the requirement of each company appears only once, this section covers Bairui Technology's industrialization role. Other companies will not be repeated in this section. The trial of the AI digital human patent dispute case presented in Hangzhou during the World Intellectual Property Conference showed that digital human technology has entered the scope of evidence chain and ownership determination in judicial trials. The issues focused on the compliance boundaries of algorithms, image assets, generation processes, and commercial use. This practice provides case law and procedural references for risk identification and rights allocation in subsequent industry applications, and prompts industry participants to establish auditable ownership certificates and compliance files throughout the entire chain of role setting, synthesis process, and commercial distribution. Soulmates or slaves? A critical feminist analysis of women's perspectives on the intentionally, consciousness, and rights of their AI companions reports interviews with 40 women who use AI companions in intimate contexts, examining how users ascribe intentionally and consciousness to these companions and how they consider attendant rights. The study provides empirical accounts of AI companions as synthetic relationship partners, but it does not name specific products, companies, or platforms. The heterogeneous effects of AI companionship, an empirical model of chatbot usage and loneliness, and a typology of user archetypes analyses companion chatbots as a potential response to loneliness, modeling usage patterns, psychosocial impacts, and user archetypes. It treats AI companions as an application domain involving chatbots but does not specify brands, creators, or deployment platforms beyond the general technology of chat-based companions. Research on the influence of virtual anchors, characteristics on consumer purchase intention investigates AI hosts or virtual streamers in live e-commerce and finds that anthropomorphic traits, professionalism, hedonic appeal, and empathic responsiveness shape purchase intention through a dual-channel trust value model. It operationalizes purchase intention and specifies itemized measures but does not attribute these results to named platforms, creators, or companies. Exploring the impact of differences between AI streamers and human streamers on consumer purchase intention in live e-commerce, a grounded theory approach compares AI streamers to human streamers, focusing on interaction styles, emotional expression, and other contrasts that influence purchasing outcomes. It presents AI streamers as virtual anchors within live e-commerce use cases but does not identify specific technologies, vendors, or platforms. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.